Miss here, and today we are grilling a big fish. We are grilling swordfish. If you've never had swordfish before, it's a delicious, moist, juicy fish with a really sweet flavor. We're gonna keep it really simple with a marinade and pop this right on the grill. So to this shallow dish, we are going to add water, olive oil, caper brine, so the juice inside of your caper jar, save that, salt, minced garlic, and we're just gonna mince up a little serrano pepper for some spice. Just careful to not touch your eyes or anything after you handle peppers. All right, so we're just gonna pop our swordfish into the marinade, and it's gonna marinate for about an hour. See you in an hour at the grill. Oh my goodness. Y'all, look how delicious this looks. It's perfectly grilled. It smells so good. I wish you could smell it. So we are just going to make a little side salad to go with this honkin' piece of meat. We have some quinoa that we've cooked, capers, feta, for our crunch and a little bit of extra protein, walnuts, olive oil, delicious cherry tomatoes, and parsley. Look at all of these beautiful colors. This is gonna be great as a side salad. Ooh, okay, before we eat, we're just gonna get a little lemon. All right, I'm gonna dig in. So delicious. Super moist, doesn't taste fishy at all. You really can't beat the fresh tomato. That quinoa is poppy. I'm speechless. This is delicious. This Mediterranean quinoa salad is so perfect with a swordfish. This is just the perfect meal for a summer barbecue full of protein. This was so amazing. This was grilled swordfish with Mediterranean salad, and this was Bussin Eats. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know what you think of this recipe, and we'll see you next time.